Good day guys, if you're getting that dreaded SS06 error on Snapchat, that means your device has been banned from accessing Snapchat service, but don't worry, in this video I'll show you step by step how to fix this issue and get back into your accounts. So firstly guys, you need to do a very bad thing, you need to delete Snapchat from your phone. So not just the app, but also its data. On Android, go to the settings, apps, Snapchat, clear data and cache, and then uninstall. So before uninstalling, clear the cache and data. On iPhone, simply delete the app and restart your phone. So SS06 is tied to your device ID, so either use a different device or change your Android ID using a virtual device app like VMOS, X8 Sandbox or Shelter. For rooted users, use Magisk Hide and reset your device fingerprint. If you're on iPhone, your only option is using another device or trying Snapchat through a different network. Next, switch your IP address. You can turn airplane mode on and off, reboot your router, or use a VPN like Proton VPN or Windscribe to connect through another country or region. Also, after that, just simply reinstall Snapchat, but don't log into your banned account yet. First, you need to create a new Snapchat account or use a clean one. If it works, that means the ban was tied to your previous device ID or account. And also, if you believe the ban was a mistake, you can go to Snapchat support page and submit an appeal, explain your situation, and request device unbanning. So the SS06 Snapchat ban can be frustrating, but by changing your device ID, IP address, and reinstalling the app carefully, you can bypass it and get back online. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, if it helped you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe. See you soon.